What's up, my Coach K crew? Today we're going to be looking at how do you get free money from Uniswap claiming, and we're going to look at an overview of the market, but you must stay till the end of this video or you will not learn how to get your free cash flow. Now, do me one favor, let's beat this YouTube algorithm, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, so the first question you have is, what is going on? How do I get free money? We're going to look at that just near the end of the video, so don't go anywhere. I'm going to show you exactly how you can get your 400 Uni tokens, which are currently worth at this exact time $1,400 US, absolutely for free. The only terms that you have to have had is that you've used Uniswap before September 1st of this year. That was only 17 days ago, so if you've been degenning and watching this channel and been in some of these coins, you guys also are about to win. Let's look at first what's going on with ETH and why this is happening. So first of all, I said, yes, ETH looks very bearish. It closed very bearish. It bounced off the keychain yet again. And that was the fifth time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But today we had a Uniswap basically say we're going to give away free tokens. And what does that mean? It means people need to have ETH to be able to claim those free tokens. And so what we have seen with Ethereum is that Ethereum overall has pumped. Ethereum has gone up in value, and we're seeing it trying to reclaim this 21-day EMA. But remember what I've been talking about in the midterm, in the shorter term as well, that we could see this pending TK bearish cross. And usually when this level is below the candles right here, it's bearish as well, which is called the Chiku span. And then if we see all of those factors play out, generally we could see it come down to the bottom of the cloud. That's what I've been talking about. So it may not happen right away, but it may definitely happen. Now, looking at Bitcoin, I said we're probably faking out. It's starting to very much look like that. We overshot, almost hit 11. We actually did exactly pretty much hit 11,100, just a little bit off. And then we retraced a bit. We could turn into a tweezer top right here and come down, or we could just see this consolidate a little bit more. But remember, I've been talking about this pending TK bearish cross, and look what we're seeing now. Now, if I remove this, you'll see it even clearer that this Tenkin is saying I'm about to cross down and dump hard. This Kijin is saying I'm about to go higher. Now, if we have a TK cross to the bearish side and a bearish Chiku spin, which we do right here, we could see that this will go into and out of the cloud potentially on the other end. Now, I know a lot of people are saying, no, we're bullish now again, and I think we might be, like I said yesterday's video, short-term bullish for a very short amount to fake out the completion of this fake out, but we're not likely going to break above this cloud, meaning that we're not bullish, we're not bearish in turbulence inside of this cloud. That doesn't mean that we can't have a bearish TK cross, this come down, and us drop right to that level I've been talking about at 95 to also down to 8,800. That would not be a crazy dip. That would be normal. So just know that and prepare for that. And this is why I don't really care that I'm in USDT or in a 2x short that I've been adding to on the way up, because I'm expecting to see something along the lines of this or of this one more time. So come down, come down, come down, and then we can come back up. That's what I'm expecting. Now, we look at the SPX, and look what happened yesterday. Faked everybody out. We had a 3 inside down, so we have this mother candle, second candle halfway, and down. So we're holding this level right here at 3,336 points, and this could definitely break down and come down to this Kijin again. We're also seeing the Kijin creep up. The Tenkin's still flat. I don't think we're going to have a crazy bearish move yet, but it definitely is impending and it is coming. We saw that Bitcoin dominance tried to test this level and did not work, and it failed, came back and retested the 21-day EMA. So it'll be interesting to see how that plays out, but I do expect Bitcoin to drop, and the reason why we're seeing Ethereum pump right here, potentially as a 3 inside up or a weak 3 inside up, would only be because of this Uniswap. And honestly, I don't blame anyone, because Uniswap, it gave free money. So people are going to buy ETH to be able to get their free claimed tokens. And you need about like $35, $40 of Ethereum to really complete the transaction, the approving of the transaction, and the selling of those tokens if you choose to sell them, which may or may not be a good idea. Now, what I'm seeing is this broke out. So we looked like we were getting bearish, and then yesterday we kind of closed below, and today we pumped. We have to watch the DXY here because the DXY pumps and normally things will dump. It pumped, gold dumped, right? It pumped, Bitcoin dumped. Ethereum pumped only because of the Uniswap, but if you take away that factor, it would have also dumped. So I'm thinking we're going to see that this area that I've highlighted very likely could close and go below and start to come down on a descending from this level. So we have to watch that. And remember, I pointed out that this has happened before after it dumped. Similar looking patterns usually repeat, came up, and now it can go again. And what we're seeing right over here, I'll just zoom in a bit, is a very similar structure of we pumped, we came down a bit, we came down hard, and then we came back and retested this level, which we could bring us back down lower. So watch for those levels when it comes to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Nothing else is really that interesting today. The markets, again, on altcoins are very bearish, to be completely honest. There's not very much going on. There's some news, but I mean, for a typical crypto day to have nothing that's above 10% is not very often that we see that. Digibyte's pretty much the only thing that's been going against Bitcoin really for the last couple days. Now, the question that you guys all have is this.
Here's the fucking money, shithead!
How do I get my money? All right, so now the part that you've been asking, well, coach, how the heck do I get money for free, right? Well, I'm going to show you. I have 5 Uniswap accounts that I've used for various reasons, and it's pretty awesome that happened. Some of them are for farming, some of them were for just crap coining, you know what I mean? And this is what I've learned. This morning, my research team woke me up and said, hey, you need to claim your Uni tokens. I was like, whoa, this is free tokens? How did I not hear about this? They're like, well, that's what we're here for. You're always busy. So I was like, awesome. I was like, this guy. Yes, I was that guy. I was literally that excited. So I went on here and I read a little bit about it. You can read about this. I'll leave this link in the description as well, uniswap.org/blog/uni. You can see all about what they're doing, governance, how it's governance, and the 10-year inflation model, and where the tokens are being released and all that. And it's a community project, so we get them for free basically by claiming them. And then you can add your tokens to a liquidity pool if you like as well. So this is all something you can do very simply. You're going to go down to the bottom of here and you're going to click claim. Now, if you have a Uniswap address that's been used right now on your MetaMask, if you go and open that MetaMask and go on the normal Uniswap interface page, it's literally going to show you, hey, you need to claim your 400 unis, and you just click claim on, it'll be right here. It'll click claim. It'll open up your MetaMask. It'll ask you to claim it and pay gas fees like normal. You'll do that, and then you have to wait and get your tokens. Then you have to approve your tokens like normal. So that'll cost you probably around $50. So be prepared for that. But look how much they're worth. I literally have 5 accounts. Multiply 5 by $1,650. And how much do you have? Almost $1,700. It just keeps going up, guys. So imagine this goes to $2,000 and I have 5 accounts. That's 10 grand for free. If you have a Uniswap account, you must go do this. You must go do this and stop this video and go and do it right now. Okay? When this video is over, which it will be in a short minute or two, you must go do this. If you don't get free money, I don't know what you're doing in this world, but you must keep $100 of Ethereum in that wallet before you start, because you're probably going to have to pay it. Because if I click swap right here and I confirm it, I'll let you know what it says come out on my MetaMask. $36 just to swap it. It cost me $18 to get the tokens. It cost me like, I think $13 then to get the tokens. So you need about $75 or so to get it done. I'm just going to reject that because I'm not planning to sell these. I sold some, but I'm not going to sell them all. So every single Uniswap account that you have used before September 1st will work. Okay, I'll leave it at that. That's basically it for today. So watch Bitcoin for the fake out. It looks like it's coming. Watch Ethereum because there's obviously this happening and people are buying Ethereum so they can do this and swapping to Ethereum so they can claim their tokens. And if you'd ask me what I'm doing, I've sold some. I will probably sell a little bit more. I will take a bunch of free money for sure any day of the week. But I will hold some of these tokens because they could moon very hard. They are also being listed on Binance. So I don't know if any of you guys saw that, but it's also going to be listed on Binance very shortly, as well as KuCoin, as well as many others. So the craziest part here is that it's actually already on Binance and it's going to be listed on Binance Futures. Now I think CZ, I know what you're thinking. Man, I hate Uniswap. I want this not to do well. I'm going to probably pump the crap out of it. Then I'm going to dump it on everybody and make everyone hate Uniswap and come use BSwap. You know what I mean? I think that's something that might be the play there of why they're adding it on Binance, but they're not just adding it on Binance, they're adding it on all the centralized exchanges. Binance, KuCoin, Huobi, OKX, and the big one, Coinbase Pro. Why are they doing that? They were taking so much of the liquidity away from these big players. Why would they be listing them unless they're just trying to get people to have a freaking place to dump them? I don't know. I'm not too sure, but it's something I'm thinking about very deeply. Now, do not forget to claim your free money tokens. This has gone down a little bit. I really don't care. It's free money, whatever. The point is that we have this opportunity to get free money. If this can change your life, if this can make your life easier, no matter where you are in the world, go do it right now. Don't wait. Do it right now at the end of this video so you can be like this guy.
Last but not least, I want to thank me. I want to thank me for believing in me. I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.
Be that guy. Okay, so what you need to do right now, it's pretty straightforward. Go get your free tokens. Ethereum is pumping because of these free tokens, and Bitcoin looks like it's getting toppy, and the altcoin market still looks pretty crap. Watch for Bitcoin dominance to potentially drop. Join Coach's Corner. Like and subscribe this video if you like that I reminded you. You could get some free money today, right now, if you've been using Uniswap. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hope you have a great, blessed day. And Coach K is signing out. Peace out, everybody.
Fat kiddo, fat kiddo, huge fat kiddo.